The Local Democracy Bill was a real opportunity for the Government of Wales to produce legislation which made a real change in the way in which local government works in Wales, in the way in which services are provided in Wales. Unfortunately, this bill has no imagination and will make little difference in real terms. It is something really which could have been included in the Minister's guidance. Nothing which is within this bill is of any real significance. I tried to move amendments on behalf of Plaid Cymru, with the support of the other opposition parties, it has to be said, to try and strengthen this bill and to make it something which would make a real difference. We discussed things like the ability to record and film in the public gallery when local authorities have meetings. We had an amendment on the need for at least one of the commissioners on the Boundary Commission to be able to communicate through the medium of Welsh. And importantly, we tried to move an amendment in order to control the earnings of chief executives and senior management within local authorities, which is out of control at the moment. And each and every one of these was refused and opposed by the Government of Wales. I thought, perhaps naively, that they might have supported one or two of them, but it seems that they have no real vision for local authority working in Wales and are opposing anything which attempts to strengthen that and to give it some real power. The bill at the moment is of no significance whatsoever, but we will again be attempting in stage 3 to resubmit these amendments and to make this something which will make a real difference to the way in which services are provided for people throughout Wales.